Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Irfan, your tour guide for today tour will bring you to one of the outmost in Jakarta. The name is Langgar Tinggi Mosque. It was built in 1829 AD, or some people call it 1834 AD. And the building has become the cultural heritage of the Jakarta province, Indonesia. This is a two-story building where the first story was used as the residence of the imam and some function as the shop which sell the perfume, and the second floor for the praying. Before become the mosque, it used to as the guest house on the banks of the Angke River. The person who built the building, the name is Abu Bakar Sihab, a Muslim merchant from Yemen. And now we are going up to the second floor where the praying room is located. When we see the architecture of the building, it influenced by the combination from the Europe, Chinese and Japanese architectural styles. European is visible in the Tuscan neoclassical style of pillars, and for the Chinese influence is reflected in the decoration of the beam support, and the Japanese influence in the basic plan. The decoration, similar to a small monument on the roof, is a legacy of Moorish influence. And now we are entering the praying room. In this mosque, we can see some of the area is made from the wood, like the floor, the ceiling, and the window. The person who gave contribution for the mosque is like the Sheikh Syed Naum, the rich merchant from Palembang who later served as Kapitan Arab in Pekojan. Another person is a rich businesswoman. Her name is Sharifah Mas'ad Barik Balawi. She gave much money for the building and also for the people. In the middle is mihrab where the imam will lead for the praying, and on the right side we can see a wooden pulpit. We call it the mimbar. This is the place where the imam will give the sermon for the people who is praying. And the wooden pulpit was brought from Palembang in a tribute to Syed Naum in 1859. Syekh Syed Naum became the Kapitan Arab from 1844 to 1864. After that, he moved to the Tanah Abang and he buried in Tanah Abang along with his college. Ladies and gentlemen, we have bring you to visit the four outmost in the Pekojan area. The first is Al Anshar Mosque, the oldest mosque in Jakarta, which was built around the 17th century. After that, we also visited the Al Nawir Mosque, one of the biggest mosques in the Pekojan area, which can accommodate around 2,500 people. After that, we also have bring you to visit the Al-Zawiyah Mosque, the two-story mosque. And after that, we bring you to visit the last mosque, that is the Langgar Tinggi Mosque. And this is the Langgar Tinggi Mosque, which is located at the banks of Angke River. In the past, Angke River is one of the important route for the transportation and business. On the wall of the mosque, we can see old photos. In that old photos, we can see in the past, before the river narrowed and became shallow, the boat rested near the Langgar Tinggi Mosque. Not only from the religious building like mosque, the Pekojan area is also famous with the culinary and the food. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, has watch this video about Langgar Tinggi Mouse. And please support us with like, comment, and subscribe this channel. And watch also our other videos. And thank you.